the beautiful horror of deep space. Two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe, or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. These words from the visionary Arthur C. Clarke stick with us as we look up at the night sky. At first glance, it's like a black blanket sprinkled with bright stars. But if we really pay attention, we sense there's something more there. If we could explore the depths of space, we'd see colorful clouds of gas swirling around in a never-ending cosmic dance. We'd witness spiral galaxies spinning gracefully, each one a whirlpool of billions upon billions of stars. We'd be amazed by the remains of exploded stars, supernovae, which have puzzled humans for ages. And perhaps somewhere out there, deep in this vast canvas, there are other worlds with beings looking up at their own version of the sky, feeling the same mix of wonder and fear. The universe is so huge and mysterious that it's both terrifying and beautiful. It captivates us with its emptiness, its strange cosmic events, and the chance of life beyond our planet. With Notion, perfect for tracking the life cycle of stars. Notion helps you compile research, plan projects, and collaborate in one sleek platform, whether you're mapping a star's journey from nebula to supernova or coordinating with fellow astronomers. Notion is your galactic companion. Sign up using our link to start your stellar organization journey and support our channel. But it also leaves us uneasy with the thought of being alone in all this vastness, or worse yet, not being alone at all. It's really hard to fully grasp just how big the observable universe is. Our solar system, with its 8 planets orbiting around an average star, spans billions of kilometers across. But beyond that, stars come together in huge spiral clouds called galaxies, and there are hundreds of billions of these starry islands scattered throughout space. These galaxies are separated by empty spaces, forming a huge web known as the cosmic network or cosmic webbing. Even if we could travel at the incredible speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to go from one end of our galaxy, the Milky Way, to the other. The farthest object or galaxy ever seen by the powerful Hubble Space Telescope is at an unimaginable distance of 13.4 billion light-years from Earth. And that's not even a fixed distance, because the universe has been expanding since then, meaning that GNZ 11, as it's known, is even farther away now. The scales of sizes and distances in the universe are almost beyond what our minds, used to earthly measurements, can truly comprehend. Maybe all this vastness is just a huge nothing. Despite there being billions of stars and possibly trillions of planets in our galaxy alone, humanity hasn't found any solid proof of intelligent life anywhere else besides our little Earth. But the truth is, facing the real void, complete cosmic loneliness, would be dealing with an existential reality that's almost too terrifying to think about. A silent, black universe with no other signs of life or intelligence besides us. Would we be a meaningless flicker destined to fade away, a strange anomaly in the endless emptiness? Why haven't we heard anything from out there yet? Well, Fermi's paradox asks why, in such an old universe where life could have developed elsewhere, we haven't seen any clear signs of other civilizations among the stars. If we really are the only intelligent life form out there, Earth would be nothing short of a cosmic miracle, a delicate and tiny oasis of life in the midst of countless inhospitable and barren worlds. Our precious blue planet is in an exceptionally favorable location with a stable sun, a protective atmosphere, and a large moon that helps stabilize our environment. We're just a fortunate outcome of a massive cosmic explosion. Even the harsh and barren planets in our neighboring solar system highlight how special and incredibly lucky Earth is. So maybe the reason we haven't found intelligent life beyond Earth is simply because it doesn't exist. But when we look around and see the void and silence, it's unsettling to wonder, what is our purpose? Are we a rare cosmic exception, or just a temporary anomaly destined for extinction someday? The idea that we might be completely and definitively alone in this universe is frightening and raises more questions than humanity can currently answer. On the flip side, what if we're not alone after all? Exciting recent discoveries of thousands of exoplanets orbiting other stars, some of them in potentially habitable zones, suggest that alien life could be thriving in other parts of the cosmos. The challenge lies in our technological capability to locate them. There are an estimated 100 billion exoplanets in our galaxy alone. Within our nearby vicinity, within 50 light-years, there are believed to be about 1,500 planets, and we've only observed around 10% of them, but our hopes aren't too low. Astronomers from the University of Cambridge have detected potential signs of extraterrestrial life on the exoplanet K218b. Although it's not exactly what you might imagine, observations of the planet's atmosphere using the James Webb Space Telescope found spikes of dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, most DMS is produced by phytoplankton in our oceans. The presence of DMS in the atmosphere of K218b suggests the possible existence of similar life forms. Though scientists can't confirm it yet, it's a promising lead. Maybe Earth isn't as uniquely special as we believe, and incredibly intelligent life forms beyond our understanding could be pondering the same big questions from their distant worlds. The definitive discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life would completely change our narrow, self-centered view of the universe. Instead of being alone, we might just be one conscious life form among many, part of a rich, diverse, and complex cosmic landscape we never imagined. Or perhaps we are the pioneers with the entire unexplored cosmos as our future and limitless frontier. What if it turned out to be true that we are alone in the universe after all? Well, our small and seemingly insignificant existence on Earth would become even more cosmically significant. We would be the lucky caretakers of the only known spark of conscious and intelligent life in the expanse of the known cosmos. Every decision we make, every new discovery, and every advancement of our civilization would suddenly carry immense cosmic importance. I don't want to sound too focused on humans, but maybe we should deeply consider our responsibility to protect, preserve, and eventually spread the precious seed of human life throughout the universe. On the other hand, if we are not alone after all, humanity would suddenly find itself entering a vast and ancient cosmic stage, likely already teeming with countless other life forms, intelligences, and civilizations on scales that surpass our imagination. Our views on life, philosophy, science, technology, and our place in the cosmic scheme of things would change dramatically overnight. We should prepare ourselves mentally and culturally to encounter the deep and incomprehensibly unknown in ways we can't even imagine. Whether we discover that we're alone or accompanied by others in this cosmic expanse, we face an extraordinary destiny that's hard to fully grasp. Both scenarios, which seem opposite, raise big questions about our place in the universe and spark deep philosophical thoughts. To unravel this profound existential mystery that has intrigued us since the beginning of human awareness, humanity is exploring space like never before. Powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are scanning the skies for chemical clues and spectral signs that could reveal simple or complex life on distant planets outside our solar system. Rovers and robotic spacecraft like Perseverance, Curiosity, and Insight are landing on Mars to search tirelessly for traces of ancient microbial life on the now dry red planet. and future missions aim to investigate the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn in detail, where large underground liquid oceans might harbor unique and alien life forms. Here on Earth, huge radio telescopes like those at the SETI Observatory scan the entire sky tirelessly, hoping to catch any artificial radio signals that could be evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. We've even sent space probes like the famous Voyager 1 and 2 with encoded greetings and records of human culture on board in the form of golden records, just in case these spacecrafts are ever found adrift in interstellar space in the distant future. But all this searching leads us to another important question. What exactly are we looking for? The answer depends on how we define alien life. If we mean intelligent civilizations different from our own, most scientists believe that while they could exist, finding them is incredibly challenging, and thus detecting them is highly unlikely. So far, efforts focused on finding extraterrestrial intelligence, mostly through analyzing electromagnetic signals from space like the SETI project, have not produced any definitive results. Observations of planets and moons within our solar system have also not shown any signs suggesting nearby extraterrestrial life. The main challenge in detecting intelligent life beyond Earth is that we need to exist at the same time and be at the right distance from another civilization that could either send signals of its existence or recognize signals from us. So far, the clearest signal we've sent into space, indicating our existence as a technologically capable species, is electromagnetic waves traveling at the speed of light. But how far have these waves traveled? The reality is that we've only been emitting these signals for a little over 100 years, so at most, they've traveled just over 100 light years. In a universe where distances are huge, this means we are essentially invisible to any other intelligent civilization that may exist. The same applies in reverse. On the other hand, the development of intelligence requires a high level of biological complexity that takes very long periods of time to evolve, making simpler life forms better candidates for existence beyond Earth. It's even possible that intelligence may never emerge. Remember, even we were the result of chance. That's why, in our quest for other life forms, we might discover that intelligence is a cosmic miracle that could have sparked only once in the entire universe. And even if that's scientifically and completely true, we still leave open the possibility that life might actually be a common and even inevitable process driven by the same fundamental forces that shaped galaxies. Whether we're alone or not in the universe, the unexplored expanse of the cosmos stirs up a mix of primal terror and primal fascination in the human spirit. The unknown, the radically alien and incomprehensible, has always fascinated and intimidated humanity since the beginning of civilization. In ancient Greece, mythical sea monsters like Scylla and the deadly whirlpool Charybdis symbolized the unknown terrors lurking beyond the familiar world in the open sea. During the Age of Discovery, mapmakers would mark "Here be dragons," indicating unknown territories on the edges of maps when venturing into uncharted lands. But the unknown also captivates and fills us with reverent wonder. Artists such as Vincent van Gogh have immortalized the splendor of the starry sky in their timeless work. This primal mix of fear and fascination with the cosmic unknown continues to pervade modern human culture and artistic expression. Recent science fiction films like Interstellar, Arrival, and The Martian have captured our aspirations to explore deep space while grappling with the profound existential risks. The haunting cosmic horror of Prometheus and the Alien franchise taps into our primal fears of confronting xenomorphic life, forms beyond our comprehension. Even stories not focused on space exploration, like A Quiet Place, show how the unseen and unknown can create intense feelings of fear. Yet these same works of art also celebrate our human desire to understand our role in the universe, no matter how small we may feel. Whether we discover that we're alone as the only thinking beings in the vast universe, or if we find ourselves accompanied by others among the distant stars, our small world gains a cosmic importance that's hard to ignore. While the enormity of space can make us feel insignificant and anxious about existence, it also reminds us of the miracle of life itself. Even if we are alone in this cosmic ocean, the fact that life emerged against all odds on our small blue planet is an extraordinary occurrence worthy of celebration. The complex chemistry that gave rise to self-replicating organisms, the delicate balance of conditions that have sustained life for billions of years, and the eventual evolution of conscious beings capable of contemplating their own existence. These are all wonders that defy the odds and speak to the remarkable nature of our universe. On the other hand, if life is not a singular fluke, but a fundamental process intrinsically linked to the cosmos itself, then we may be merely one manifestation among a vast array of living beings dispersed throughout the stars. In this view, the universe is not a cold and lifeless void, but rather a vibrant and teeming expanse of diverse worlds, each with its own unique forms of life, from the microbial to the intelligent. Such a realization would not only reshape our understanding of our place in the cosmos, but also challenge us to reevaluate our ethical and philosophical frameworks as we grapple with the implications of sharing the universe with other conscious entities. Regardless of whether we are alone or part of a vast cosmic community, space exploration remains a profound and awe-inspiring journey. As we continue to push the limits of our knowledge, delving deeper into the unknown, we're sure to uncover truths that will forever change our view of existence. Whether we see ourselves as cosmic pioneers or members of a grand cosmic society, the journey promises to be one of incredible discovery, humility, and wonder. A voyage that will leave an indelible mark on human history and our understanding of our place among the stars. Now let me ask you, what will you think about the next time you gaze at the starry night sky? What profound meaning does our small existence hold if we are alone in the solitude of the cosmos? And what incredible wonders and cosmic mysteries await us if there is company out there among the stars? One thing is for sure, for now we are the fortunate explorers of the emptiness, the final witnesses to consciousness in the cosmic night. Join us for more adventures among the stars by clicking the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.